Hi guys, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. In today's video, I am going to be planning the month of May. Super excited because I really need to get my planning done, and I've just been slacking left and right this month, or these last couple of days actually, not this month. I'm trying to grab some of my items here. Okay, one quick second. Okay. So I did switch out my layout. I'm gonna remove this page finder. This was kind of just compare it to, this is my new design that I did, and this is my old one. So I do have sticky notes on the old one that I'm gonna use for reference. Just kind of cleaned it up a little bit compared to what I had before. But I am recording on my phone, so I hope this still looks good. But the kit that I'm going to be using this month is from Planner Cake Kit 621, and I chose this just because it's very reminds me kind of Mother's Day. I like the blues, I like the navy. I picked up sheet 2 mainly for the sidebar, the appointment labels. I feel like those, but I don't really use these icons or these scripts down here. And then I grab a sheet 3 just to kind of cover up any of these boxes maybe that I don't want to see for the month. So let's get to it. So the inserts that I use are inserts that I personally designed for personal use. And I found that with Planner Cake stickers, the Happy Planner classic size is the one that fits my inserts. And so when I was redesigning these, I did try to kind of, oh sorry, I always do that. I always try to line it up with that top line. Okay, so her stickers are removable, as you can see. Okay, I'm not having a good time. And this one pretty much fits like a glove on here. This one, okay. Apparently I cannot talk and lay down stickers at the same time. Okay, there we go. I gotta look into that because this one covered all the way up, but this one did not. So what is going on? Give me 1 second. I gotta try to figure it out. They are aligning on the same side, so I'm not sure. Okay, I have to look. I'll have to go back to the design board on that one because I'm not sure how is it that I made it so up here it leaves a little bit of that white space, but over here it's like right to the edge. So something there kind of indicates to me that something went off while I was doing that. And so her kits, her dates now come individually, so you can change it if you want. Like if you wanted a Sunday start, a Monday start, whatever you wanted, you can redate it and get it that. I like my monthly planners to start on a Sunday, but I like my weeklies to be on a Monday. I don't know why. I've always been that way. And there's really no particular reason. I don't know if it's when I first started planning, if that's just because that's how most planners made it that way. And so the monthly just kind of stuck with me that way. But I like to think of my week starting on Mondays because, you know, I start my work week on a Monday. Maybe if I started on a Sunday or something, like if I work third shift, I guess I would like Sunday starts. But But yeah, so that's what I like about her planner, her layouts now that her kits, I mean, not layouts, that you can change that. But before I put down this month, I'm gonna grab this one. Let's hope you guys are still in place. I need to figure out what I can buy to, so that way I can kind of still see what I'm recording, because my camera on my weekly plan with me, not just on that one, but in a lot of my videos, overheats and it just shuts off. And it's not that it overheats like because I've been recording all day, so I'm not even sure what the issue is there. But it just does for some reason. It just does. Okay. Debating if I should add these. All right, I gotta lift up the monthly because I think they go up just a little bit more. And there we go. Okay. Sorry, I am bringing, okay, peeling off stickers. I'm not gonna add one down here because I like to add thin washi. And I think the thin washi that I'm going to do is going to be this one, or should I do this one? I'm going to go with this pink one just because it's Mother's Day and I feel like I would just enjoy it a lot more better. And I'm going to stop that. Okay, that's looking nice, but I ripped that off too ugly, so I'm gonna cut that little bit off right here, see if I can take it off, scrape it off. Okay, so let's fill in some appointments. Actually, I am gonna put down my dates and I will be right back. Okay, so we have those set in place now, and I'm just gonna grab my other sheets to see what we have going on. So I'm gonna put down my appointments first. Let me write those in and then we'll lay them down. Okay, so I'll just put it in for this day, but it was technically for April. I'll do the brow wax. We have an eyelash fill for next Tuesday that got rescheduled. I have Francisco's 4th month checkup on the 20th. And then we'll put some of these holidays down. So Cinco de Mayo is on 5th of May. We have Mother's Day on the 12th. Sorry, I was thinking the 10th because in Mexico it's on the 10th. Memorial Day is on the 27th. And then we have a quinceañera to go to this Saturday. This one's for work related. I just want to mark it down. I have a workers' comp audit that I need to do. And I need to start that on the 16th to get it done by the due date. I do have 2 birthdays in May. And I'm going to remove that one and I'll put this other one down to mark my holidays, my birthdays. Because I like these for birthdays. It makes them stand out for me. So do that. I grab my Monster Co stickers because yep, I knew I had birthday ones here. And I know I have happy birthday scripts right here. So I'll do 2 of these. On the 19th, it is my sister's birthday. And then on the 21st, it is my goddaughter's for first communion. Her birthday. So mark those down so I don't forget. I'm trying to look and see what else I need to do. I'm gonna put one of this working one on that workers' comp audit just because it just kind of remind me of that. I do want to mark Francisco's 4th month's birthday, or not birthday, but his little milestone there. Trash days. Those are important ones that I need to keep track of. So that would be next week, and then the week after that. For work, it's on this day. It would be on this day, and then again until the 28th. I need a last day of school and classes start. Classes start for me on May 7th, but the kids' last day of school. So I'm gonna grab this pencil one to mark when classes start for me, and then last day of classes for the kiddos. And I know I had some that said first day, last day. I'm gonna grab this doctor one and put it next to his appointment to kind of indicate his doctor's appointment. There we go. I guess I could use the summer break one, right? Because it is summer break for them. And I know I had one for school. I'll just do this A+ one. So the Tuesday's already filled up. Let me write classes start like that. And then on the 31st, oh, my printer scared me. I'm trying to lift it up a little bit. Summer break. I know they're excited for that. I do have a no work Memorial Day. We can put this no school because technically it is no school for me and the kids. Well, this little star picked up when I picked up no school, but just like that. Beautiful. Like it. Half of the month super busy. Thursday to Friday we have nothing going on. Kind of silly, but all right, I think this is it, like I said, and I will just kind of keep adding things on as the weeks go by. But thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.